Hello, children. Since it is the last week that I will be doing maths with you, Mrs. Callahan will do the final week next week. I thought it might be nice to try some puzzles. So this week's maths is based on logic and reasoning. I'll give you the puzzle and you can pause the video and have time to have a go at it, and then I'll show you the answer. Now, it will be really easy just to pop forward and have a look at the answer. Try hard not to do that because it would be good if you could just concentrate on the puzzle. Okay, so before we get started, you're definitely going to need a pencil and a piece of paper, so pause the video and go and get one. Okay, so here's the first puzzle. There'll be two puzzles each day. Here's the first puzzle. It's in two parts. Okay, so here's the first puzzle. It says, can you put the numbers 1 to 8 in each of the squares so that each side adds up to the middle number? So you have to put the numbers 1 to 8 in these boxes here so that when you add up each side, it equals 12. Or so that when you add up each side, it equals 13. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so let's have a look at the answer to those then, shall we? Are you ready? It says, there are lots of ways of doing this. Here's one way of doing it, and here's one way of doing it. But there are lots of ways. So how many ways did you find? Okay, so that's your first puzzle for today. And here's your second one. So it's the same again. You have to put the numbers 1 to 8 in here so that each side adds up to the numbers in the middle. So that each side adds up to the number in the middle. So pause the video again and have a go. Okay, so hopefully you found these answers. This is one way of doing it. You might have found some other ways of doing it. I hope you did. So that's your first puzzle for today. Here's your second puzzle. It says, now this really does need some imaginative thinking, but it is possible. It says, can you join all 9 dots with 4 straight lines without taking your pencil off the paper? Let's read that again. Can you join all 9 dots with 4 straight lines without taking your pencil off the paper? You cannot go over any line twice. So again, pause the video and have a little go. Okay, so how did you get on? It really was creative thinking because you had to think outside the line. So you start here, come all the way down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and we've joined all the dots up with only 4 lines. Okay, so that's your 2 puzzles for today. Tomorrow we're going to have 2 more puzzles, but if you're feeling like you fancy a bit of maths, I would suggest to help you in year 6, you have a go on your times table rock stars. It's really important that you know all of your times tables and the division facts ready for next year. And I'll speak to you tomorrow.